In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create loading bars in Python so you can see the progress of your running code. Shout out to John Edevold that showed me how to do this. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to display loading bars or progress in a Jupyter notebook. I'm saving the best for last, so please watch this to the end. Up first, I'm going to make a basic for loop and print out the progress using the replace key as the endline argument. So X in enumerate. Let's just do a list comprehension here. And then we'll do print the iteration I and end equals /r for the replacement key. And let's run that. So this is the most basic way to track the progress of your for loop as it prints out the iteration. It's great because it does not do a new line every time. Up next, we're going to import tqdm to create a loading bar. First, we create a tqdm object. Let's go ahead and call that loop equals tqdm. And we're going to put total as a keyword, and that's the amount of iterations that we are going to perform. We're going to start at 0. So let's go ahead and run this inside of a for loop. We will set a description based on the iteration case, so loop.set_description. And let's type loading. And let's format that based on the K. And then each time we need to update the loop. And outside of the for loop, we'll go ahead and do loop.close. Let's go ahead and run this. As you can see, there's a bar and percentage printed out, along with the description that we chose. Notice we only did 5,000 iterations this time, since the speed of this one's a little bit slower. Speed is something you want to keep in mind when it comes to observing the progress of your code. Just with 5,000 iterations, it's taking some time. Lastly, we're going to use tqdm.auto. This one, in my opinion, is the best of all. All we need to do is create a for loop and put tqdm around the range in this case. And inside of the for loop, I'm just going to put a print statement, since a continue would be almost instantaneous and not allow us to see the loading bar. Let's go ahead and run that. Here it is. I absolutely love that color. It also prints out the iteration, the percentage, and the speed. And we're doing a lot more iterations, and it's a lot faster than the previous loading bar that we had. And now it's green because it's finished 100%. You can see the number of iterations per second right here. Another cool feature that this loading bar has is that when you stop it, it turns red, as you can see here. The nice red color for interrupted code. So there you have it. That is how you create loading bars in Python. Comment below if you have any other or better ways to create loading bars in Python. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.